Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone to Chatpur Shodor Virtual School. Hope you all are fine. I am also well and healthy by the grace of Almighty Allah. Actually, Chatpur Shodor Virtual School is a landmark step in this troubled moment of the country. This is Fahima Jahan, Assistant Teacher, Jilani Tishti High School. Today, I will try to take the English first paper of class 9 and 10. In the beginning of the lesson, I will try to show you a video through which you can understand what's our today's topics. So, dear students, let's go to see a video. It's a very tragic scene, a cruel game of nature. Dear students, after seeing this video, you can understand what's our today's topic. Yes, our today's topic is Unit 5, Lesson 1, The Grade of the Roaring Rivers. যার বাংলা অর্থ হচ্ছে প্রমত্ত নদীর করাল গ্রাস। After have studied this lesson, we will be able to know word meaning with similar word, comprehend the passage through silent reading, ask and answer questions, complete the summary. At first, we will try to learn some word meaning and its similar word. Slum is a noun. Its similar word is hovel. It's a very congested area, that means overpopulated area, যার বাংলা অর্থ হচ্ছে বস্তি. Embankment is a noun. A wall of stone or earth made to keep water back, that means dam, যার বাংলা অর্থ হচ্ছে বাঁধ. Erosion is a noun. Its similar word is decay, যার বাংলা অর্থ হচ্ছে ক্ষয় বা ধ্বংস. Grady is adjective. Its similar word is voracious, যার বাংলা অর্থ হচ্ছে লোভী বা পেটুক. The students understand the passage through silent reading. Meherjan lives in a slum on the Shirazganj town protection embankment. Her polythene-roofed shelter looks like a cage. She is nearly 45 but looks more than her age. Meherjan is a victim of river erosion. She lives in a slum. Her house is made with straw and sand. though she is about 45, but she looks more than her age. Actually, when people are in danger, they look old. She is trying to make a fire to cook the day's only meal. Her weak hands tremble. The river Yamuna makes the fire unsteady. The dancing of flames reminds Meherjan of the turmoil in her life. She is trying to make a fire to cook the day's only meal. As her house is made of polythene, she has no separate kitchen room. She has to cook under the open sky. She is very weak. She don't eat on a full stomach, so she is quiver. The river Jamuna makes the fire unsteady. The dancing of the flames reminds Meherjan of the state of the anxiety in her life. Not long ago, Meherjan had everything: a family, land, and cattle. She had a happy family, including her husband, son, daughter, father, and mother. Once, Meherjan was the owner of vast property. She also had a happy family, including her husband, son, daughter, father, mother, and other relatives. The erosion of the Jamuna consumed all her property. It finally claimed her last shelter during the last monsoon. It took the river only a day to demolish Meher's house, trees, vegetables, garden, and the bamboo bush. During the last monsoon, the erosion of the Jamuna demolished, bulldoze all her property, uh, all her property, her trees, vegetables, garden, and bamboo bush. She lost her husband and her family to disease that cruel hunger and poverty brought to the family. She is the only one left to live on with the loss and the pain. The greedy Jamuna has shattered her dreams and happiness. After breaking the river, Meherjan has to face the reality of starvation. As a result, she lost her husband. She is the only one left to live on with the loss and the pain. She is big alone now. There are thousands others waiting to share the same fate with Meherjan. Bangladesh is a land of rivers that affect its people. Erosion is a harsh reality for the people living along the river banks. Uh, Not only Meherjan, but also thousands of peoples waiting to share the same fate with Meherjan. Bangladesh is a land of rivers that affect its people. Erosion is a cruel reality for the people who lives along the river banks. The people who live beside the river banks are threatened by the roaring rivers like the Jamuna, the Meghna, and the Padma. Those people who live near the river banks, they are threatened by the roaring rivers such as the Jamuna, the Meghna, and the Padma. It is estimated that river erosion makes at least 100 people, 1 lakh, at least 1 lakh people homeless every year in Bangladesh. River erosion is one of the main dangers caused by climate change. We should take immediate steps to adapt to climate change. It is calculated that River erosion makes about 1 lakh people homeless and helpless every year in Bangladesh. Due to climate change, we have to face many dangers such as deforestation, river erosion, etc. So, our government and authorities should take immediate steps to adapt to climate change. Okay, dear students, now I will give you some questions. What does Meherjan use to make fire for cooking her meals? Number 2. What property did Meherjan lose due to river erosion? Number 3. What do you know about Meherjan's family? And last and number 4. In which season does river erosion most likely occur? Dear students, you can match your answer with me. Number 1. What does Meherjan use to make fire for cooking her meals? Yes, the answer will be Meherjan uses fallen leaves and straw to make fire for cooking her meals. Number 2. What property did Meherjan lose due to river erosion? Yes, its answer will be Meherjan lost her cultivable land, cattle, trees, house, vegetables garden and the bamboo bush due to river erosion. Number 3. What do you know about Meherjan's family? Meherjan had a happy family once. She lost her husband and her family due to disease. Next, in which season does river erosion most likely occur? Yes, river erosion most likely occurs in the monsoon season. Now, students, complete the summary of Meherjan's life with a suitable word. Meherjan is a typical dash woman who lives in Islam. She lost her shelter and properties dash the erosion of river Jamuna. Her husband had died of disease and disease caused by poverty and dash. Now she is only a slum dash. Like Meherjan, there are many people who have become the dash of river erosion. River erosion is still posing dash to the lives and properties of thousands of people. Its answer will be Meherjan is a typical homeless woman who lives in Islam. She lost her shelter and properties due to the erosion of river Jamuna. Her husband had died of disease caused by poverty and shortage of food. Now she is only a slum dweller. Like Meherjan, there are many people who have become the victims of river erosion. River erosion is still posing threats to the lives and properties of thousands of people. Dear students, now I will give you homework. Our homework is write a letter to your friend about the effect of river erosion. I will try to see them after the school opens, inshallah. So, dear students, that's all for today. Thank you all for being patient with me for so long. Still tomorrow. Goodbye.